Now is available at McCarthy Cars Volvo XC60 diesel 60 plate 2010. Car has front xenon lights, it's got front headlight washer, front parking sensor, it's got 18-inch alloy wheels, it's got roof rails, car has rear parking sensor, electric tailgate, it's got split folding rear seats, full black leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX chassis preparation, 4 electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, electric seats, memory as well. Car has media interface, telephone, Bluetooth connection, push button to start, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.